Hello, this is Jeremy. Elon! What's up? No, you the man. No, you the man. Yeah, man. Hey, anyways, I was just calling because two of my stocks are doing tremendous today, okay? Yeah, thank you, thank you. What's that? Is one of them Tesla stock? Of course not, dude. Don't be silly. But anyways, two of my stocks are going crazy today, and I just had a crazy idea. I was wondering, would you mind selling me a Falcon Heavy? I'm thinking I want to get from point A to point B faster. You know what I mean? And Falcon Heavy looks pretty impressive. Yeah? What would that end up costing me? Hold on. My accountant's on the phone. Hold on. Let me get off real quick. Hello? WB, what's going on, man? Yeah, no, I was just talking to Elon. I was thinking about ordering a Falcon Heavy. You think it should be a little more conservative? Like more like a private jet type thing. Okay, let me tell him. Hey, Elon. Hey, cancel the Falcon Heavy order, dude. Yeah, I can't do that, man. My accountant, he's up my ass. He's like, no, dude, that's ridiculous, okay? Yeah, I'm going to be a little more conservative. All right, dude. Talk to you. Peace. Hi, Cessna. My name is Jeremy, and yeah, I'm doing great, thanks. Hey, I was just looking, and I see you guys have a plane called the Cessna Citation CJ3 Plus starting around $8 million. Yeah, I'd like to do a custom order of that. Yeah, two of my stocks are going absolutely insane today. Oh gosh, feels good to make a lot of money, you know what I mean? Yeah. Who the hell is this calling me again? Hold on just one moment, please. My accountant's calling me again. Hey, WB, what's going on, man? Yeah. What? They're two of my smaller positions. So you mean I don't have like a lot of money invested in those two stocks? Okay. No, I'll be more conservative, man. All right, let me, I got them on the other line. Let me get them back. Hey, Cessna, you still there? Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do that. My accountant says I guess they're two of my smaller stocks. Yeah, life can be hard sometimes, so let me call this other company, but thank you for your help, all right? Oh, my damn accountant won't let me freaking order anything. Let me call these jokers up and see what's going on. Hi, is this Cirrus? Hi, Cirrus. Oh, this is Cirrus Logic. Oh, Cruisy Doozy. I called the wrong Cirrus. Sorry about that. Let me call these guys. Hi, is this Cirrus, the jet company? Oh, hi there. I see you have what's called a Vision Jet. Starts around $2 million. Yeah, I was just wondering. Somebody's calling me again. It better not be my accountant. I'm sorry. Hold on just a second, okay? Hey, what's going on, WB? Please don't give me any more bad news. You're telling me that we're barely up on one of those stocks, and the other one we're still down on. Dude, unreal. Hi, Southwest Airlines. I see you guys have something on your website about fall sales fair. What is that about? Well, great day, subscribers. Hope you guys are having a tremendous day as always out there. Two of my stocks are absolutely going beast mode here today. I'm going to talk about these two stocks and why they're going crazy. Okay, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Fiverr and Grindr and P-Rinder, okay? The Homie stock is up nearly 13% here today. Homie's doing a nice big move again, and it actually had a pretty nice upward move yesterday, okay? Now, why is the home stock making such a big upward move here today of almost 13%? Well, the truth is no one knows, and this is just typical home stock being home stock, okay? This stock makes no sense. It is insanely volatile, and it moves up nearly 13%, and I can't find a lip of why this stock is up so much today. It's just typical home stock, okay? What I will say is interesting about this one is I just did a video, it wasn't even that long ago, that we were down like $5,000 on the stock. We were down nearly 20%, and at its lows it even got worse than that. I think we were down like $6,600 or something on the stock, like probably just a couple weeks ago, and now we are technically up on the position, okay? It's not up much. We're up 0.79%. But needless to say, like, you know, to be up almost $200 after we were down like over 6,000 just a few weeks ago is a massive, massive difference. And that just kind of, you know, like shows you what the stock market is about. The stock market is a place where things can get really bad really fast. Whether we're talking about the entire market or the, you know, just a stock in particular, things can get really bad, and in a snap of a finger, they can completely turn around and they can really become in a position of power. And you look at a stock like that, and literally, like, we were down over $6,000 like just a couple of weeks ago, and to now be positive, that's the stock market for you. It's just crazy sometimes. And sometimes, you know, you have a stock that's doing unbelievably well, and then out of nowhere that stock just sinks. This is stock market investing, okay? This is why it's not meant for everybody as far as picking individual stocks, because not everybody wants to deal with that volatility that the stock market brings, you know, being up or down thousands or tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars on positions. Not everybody wants that type of lifestyle, guys. Stock number 2, and this one does have a reason for being up huge today, is good old Nordstrom Corporation, ticker symbol JWN. This one is up 15.86% here today, okay, up $4.21 a share, okay. Nordstrom stock is soaring after earnings, but analysts aren't convinced, and you know how I feel about these analysts, okay? They just bother me. These little analysts, they run around, they don't have any money, they don't invest hardly any of their own money, and they think they just know stuff about stocks, and they really don't, and it's just, they just frustrate me so bad, these analysts, okay? So let's just stay away from talking about what analysts think, okay? Nordstrom stock was up 16% after it reported better than expected earnings for the second quarter of fiscal 2019, which ended on August 3rd. Nordstrom's adjusted EPS came in at about 90 cents, significantly exceeding analyst forecasts of about 75 cents. So that's actually a really nice beat there. However, its adjusted EPS fell 5.3% year over year due to lower revenue and contraction in its margins. As we know, a lot of the department store businesses have been hit recently by a lot of different factors, okay, but JWN seems to be holding things better than the others, and you know, it's always good to compete at the high end of the market. Let's just put it that way, okay? Nordstrom's revenue, including net sales and credit card revenue, fell 4.8% to $3.87 billion. The company's second quarter top line lagged analyst expectations of $3.93 billion. Its net sales fell 5.1% to $3.78 billion, as its full price sales fell 6.5%, okay? Sales from company's off-price channel fell 1.9%, okay? Now, a lot of people might look at this and they say, okay, well, they beat on EPS. That's good. They beat analyst target on EPS. 90 cents versus 75 cents was expected. But still, year over year, their numbers are getting worse on EPS and revenue, okay? And so you have a lot of folks that might wonder, wait, why is this stock up nearly 16% on a day where the company just reported earnings down year over year and revenue down year over year, okay? Well, there are two different reasons why the stock is really up huge today, in my personal opinion, okay? This is the first reason, okay? A challenging start to the quarter, the soft performance of its anniversary sale event, and worse than expected performance of its off-price business, which is Nordstrom Rack, dragged on Nordstrom's revenue. The company's online sales rose 4% and accounted for 30% of its overall business, okay? This is the first reason I believe the stock is up so big today, because investors in this company want to see the online business increasing, okay? A lot of people have already come to the understanding that, you know, retail is really hard right now. Physical retail, in the particular environment we're in right now, dealing with the tariffs and all those sorts of things, okay? It has produced a very tough situation for physical retail. And then on top of that, you just have malls being hurt in a big way, obviously, from the Amazon effect and people ordering more online, okay? So investors want to see online sales increasing, okay? And Nordstrom just grew online sales 4%. So investors obviously like that. It's now up to 30% of their total sales come from online. And it's very possible a company like Nordstrom could see 50% plus of their total sales coming from online just in a few years from now, okay? Reason number 2 basically has to do with the stock price at the end of the day, okay? If you look at Nordstrom's stock price, it has been an absolute disaster, right? This is just showing you year to date. This isn't even a 1-year chart. If I take you back to a 1-year chart, basically the stock, you know, even after after today's rise is still down 40 to 45% on a 1-year basis from 52-week highs. But just look at the year to date, which is what? We're 7 months into the year, 8 months into the year. Year to date on this stock is absolutely awful, okay? Now keep in mind, year to date on the markets in general are all up. The Dow's up, S&P 500's up, and NASDAQ are all up year to date. And you look at Nordstrom stock there, it's been an absolute disaster. You know, this is a stock that was $46, $47 entering the year. And recently, this was a stock that was hitting like 25 bucks a share, $26 a share, okay? So even at today's, closing price of $30.75, it is still down massively compared to where it started the year, okay? And sometimes in these situations, you basically have a stock that has been beaten down so much. And, Nordstrom's a great company, okay? And so this happens with great companies sometimes. Their stocks get beaten down so much at a particular time, either because revenue's lagging, earnings are lagging, or there's something going on else with the business, maybe a competitive threat. And so you have a stock just get absolutely hammered, a 40% decline, a 50% decline, some of these stocks 60, 70% decline. And when you have a stock like Nordstrom that is a great company, has a great management team, sometimes all they need to do when the stocks have already been beaten down that bad is just not report a disaster quarter, and Wall Street takes that as a great thing. And that's why you see a stock like this up nearly 16% today on a quarter when they basically had, this is one of the reasons I bought the stock, because it's just far out too beaten down in my personal opinion. The business has been too beaten down for the valuation doesn't make sense in my opinion right now. The company is way too undervalued, okay? Does a stock necessarily, deserve to be trading at 60 or 70 bucks like it was a few years ago? Absolutely not in my personal opinion. But did this stock, deserve to be trading in the 20s and still even in the 30s? No, in my personal opinion, the business is too undervalued at these particular prices. And so that's why I went ahead and I've taken a chance on the stock, and I think we'll do good over time. And I think we'll be able to get stock price gains out of this stock. But not only that, I think we're going to make a lot of dividend money. Like many of the shares we've bought in the stock were yielding at a particular time 5 to 6%. So I mean, that's a really, really strong just dividend yield in itself. Now, if we can just get a few percentage points of stock price gain a year, you can see this could be a very strong stock for us between the dividend and hopefully share price appreciation over coming years when Wall Street realizes they don't go out of business or something like that, guys. So anyways, I just want to cover these two stocks. Let me know if you own either of these stocks. I would love to hear from you guys in that comment section as always. And, thank you for watching and have a great day. Hey, who flipped my flapjacks?